Gabe is really mad now. And
Why'd you do that? Oh, Dick. Gordo, man, you alright?
Gordo is fucked. Gordo got fucked up. This was the man that did it right there. Oh, here comes. You're in the way. You're in the way. You're in the way. Sarah, you're in the way. You're in the way.
Gordo, man, you alright? Dude, get up here, man.
You think we should call like that?
Just get up. Just get up. Feel the pain. And
Gordo, get up here and have some cerveza, man. Tough it out, buddy.
yeah, just pretend it didn't happen.